This isn't just a car, it's the Taj Mahal of engineering. Today, we bring you the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, one of the most exclusive hypercars in the world. The Chiron Super Sport's design is bold and aerodynamic. The unique emerald green color you see today gives it an even more royal and distinguished presence. Massive air intakes, LED headlights, and the signature horseshoe grille, everything screams perfection. The stretched rear and quad exhaust setup aren't just for style, they're built for performance. The entire body is made of carbon fiber, lightweight, yet incredibly strong. Parked in front of a billionaire's mansion, this car doesn't just stand, it owns the space. The Chiron doesn't fit in, it dominates. Under the hood lies an 8.0-liter W16 Quad-Turbocharged engine, producing a mind-blowing 1,578 horsepower and a top speed of 440 km per hour. It goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.4 seconds. Step inside and you'll find hand-stitched leather, aluminum touches, and a minimalist layout. No screens, just analog elegance, built for true drivers. On the road, this car doesn't just drive, it flies. Smooth suspension, active aerodynamics, and insane acceleration turn this machine into a road-going jet. The Chiron Super Sport isn't just a car, it's a collector's dream. With a price tag of $3.9 million and extremely limited production, it's already a modern legend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CartalkOfficial, where we bring you the world's most exclusive car reviews. See you in the next drive.